My name is Dragon Redbeard, and this is Speed Train, Flexibility, and Mobility. Time to put yourself back together after beating yourself up all week. Don't skip those recovery days. Yeah, you may be just laying around in some awkward positions, but you're stretching and you're putting things back where they're supposed to be. Please like, comment, or share if you want to continue to see me on this journey, or if you need some help with daily motivation. I will clearly be here every day, and I think we go back to upper body tomorrow.